Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, today on Thursday, December the 2nd, 2021. We have here only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. Um, there's also in this newspaper an additional with 9 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them. I will solve 5 of them. I will solve. But first, I will solve this regular medium Sudoku. And the news in today's newspaper, maybe it's good news, I do not know, but the numbers of the infected people with corona are stabilizing. Yes. No increasing or decreasing. The numbers are stabilized to 23,000 infected people per day. Yes. A day. Yes. So, is this a good news? I do not know, but it's stabilizing. Every day we have now 23,000 people infected. Well, let's continue. Okay. In this this medium Sudoku will be number 3767. Okay, 3767. We have here 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. And if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus, this will be at 2 stars. For 2 star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, let me push this up here. Alright. Let me scan the puzzle. 4 ones, 4 twos, 2 threes, 3 fours, 4 fives, 2 sixes, 2 sevens, 2 eights, and 3 nines. So the 1 and the 2. Let me see. We have the 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 9. We have 8 and a 9 in the third column, so no 8 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 8 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 8 and a 9. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, so 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 7. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. How about the 2 in the first row? 2 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And I cannot continue with the 2. Well. How about we have a pair actually. 2 and a 4 in this column. 2 and a 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 2 and the 4 goes in those two boxes. As a pair. 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. Alright. Three missing numbers then. In the last column, one of the missing numbers an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. Then. Let me see. 6. Two missing numbers in the last column. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, look, we have a 6 there. No 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square. Four numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 6 and a 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. One number left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Okay. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. The only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row, the only three places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, here 7, no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be there. Alright. Okay. Can I count? Let me see. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. Aha. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these two boxes. One box left for the 8. Should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, only place for the 8 should be there. Cannot continue with the 8. How about these two numbers in this big square? The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 3 should be there. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 9 should be there. Then 9, 4. Well, these two missing numbers in the second row are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9. Let me mark those two boxes, 9 and 4. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Alright. Then, okay, two numbers left in the third row. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright, 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5, 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, 3 and a 4 is missing, 2 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 4. These 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing, 3 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 anymore, that box should be a 9. And this box should be a 4, alright. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore, that box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. Alright, 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, here, 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there, and all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 4. Alright. Let me see. How about let me see. These 2 numbers, these 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing, 2 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 2 goes there. 1 number left in this column. 2 numbers left in this big square. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column, so the first column, only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 6 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Wow. I've told you 15 to 20 minutes. Well, I've solved this in 40 minutes. So is this really a 2 stars? Well, no. It's a 1 star because I'm faster than 50 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one, as I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later with the other 5 extra puzzles. Yes, 5 extra puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Thursday. See you soon.